Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will explain you how you can buy an add-on for the white label chat window. So what exactly a white label chat window is? So if you go to the BotPenguin website or if you're using the BotPenguin, whenever you will deploy your chatbot, every time in the last chat by BotPenguin will show up here. If you would like to remove this from here, you need to purchase an add-on for the same. So for that, simply log into your BotPenguin account, go to subscription panel, and from the add-on section, you will find this add-on here, white label chat window. You can simply click on it and it will be added to your cart. So per bot, you need to purchase add-on for the same to remove that chat by BotPenguin per month. So accordingly you can pay and the it will be removed from your website once you purchase it, and you need to make a payment from this proceed to payment option. Once the payment is done, you can simply remove it and you can start using the bot as per your need. That's all how you can purchase the add-on for your white label chat window from this particular section. If you have any concern, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.